Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rovelyn Janton. I'm 35 years old and I'm married. And I also have two sons, 14 years old and 15 years old. And currently living in Hacienda Ambolong, Barangay San Fernando, Talisay City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. And I also graduated as vocational course, caregiver in situ holder. And I'm also work in Kuwait for 4 years but not same employer. My first employer, there are 5 members in the family, 2 adults and 3 kids. There are 10 years old boy, 8 years old girl, and the youngest is 6 years old boy also. Since 2019 to 2021. And my second, and also take care of the kids. I'm cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, and I'm also going school for the kids. And on my second employer also, there are 4 members in the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. There are 13 years old girl and 7 years old boy. I'm on same also. I'm work going school and cooking for the kids and also for my employer, and washing clothes, cleaning, ironing, washing, and clean the house and cooking. And I hope, ma'am and sir, you will give me a chance to work in your house as domestic helper, and I will do my best. And I also want to know how to cook Chinese food, and I'm also interested. And thank you.